Akala ko ba bawal mag-sweets kapag nagpapapayat ka?
Bawal? I think rather than sabihin mong bawal, ang magandang word is controlled. Kasi kapag controlled, ibig sabihin hindi mo siya aalisin sa diet mo. You will just need to regulate kung gaano kadami yung kakainin mong sweets. Itong sweets na to, it has 130 calories. Itong isang ice cream na to, that will make me really happy right now because gustong gusto ko siya, sarap na sarap ako sa kanya, and then feeling ko reward ko to, it's only 130 calories. Ang kakainin ko ngayong araw na to is dapat 2,600 calories. And kung ilalagay ko ito sa pagkain ko ngayon na 2,600 calories, I still have 2,440 calories to consume na kasama tong ice cream na to. So 2,440 calories, masyadong madami na yun na healthy food or ibang pagkain na hindi masasabotage yung diet ko even though I will include this small amount of ice cream in my diet. Pero itong small amount of ice cream na to, it can make my day kasi masaya ako na kinakain ko to eh. Bakit ko i-deprive? So hindi siya bawal. I will just control.